Sounds impossible, right? In order to get more amount of work done, we need to invest more amount of time, and that is what most of us believe in. But the moment we add quality factor to the result that we'll get, everything changes. Now instead of investing more amount of time, we need to invest quality time, right? And investing quality time requires the best of your skill with total determination and the best of your focus. So in this video, we'll be talking about some productivity hacks that will help you achieve this. So hello everyone, if you are new to this channel, my name is Ajinkya and I am a second MBBS student at LTMMC Mumbai, and I extend a very warm welcome to you all. This video will definitely help you learn about some productivity hacks which will help you in making this paradigm shift from working hard to studying smart. Also, before we dive deep into this topic, I'd like to take a moment. I'm so delighted to announce you that finally we are on Instagram. Here's the username. Make sure that you follow us so that you get doses from our med school journey. So let's roll in and get started with the topic. Point number 1, use and understand the Parkinson's law. Now, Parkinson's law states that the work will fill the time available for its completion. Now, I'll explain you with the help of an example so that you understand the law better, right? Scenario 1, consider it to be a normal day where you have assigned yourself a chapter to complete and you don't have any such priorities with it, right? Now, you will complete the chapter with the duration of the complete day, right? And now let us understand the second scenario. Now, second scenario says that you have an exam in a matter of days, right? And then you have assigned yourself the same chapter. Now, with this situation, you will complete the same chapter in a matter of hours. Analyzing these scenarios and comparing them, what do we understand? We understand that we have the same work to be done. Yet, the time required in both the cases is drastically different, right? And that is what Parkinson's law is trying to state. It says that the work will mold itself to fit in the time frame that you have allotted it to, right? Now, if you say that you will complete this chapter in a day, you might consume the whole day and you won't get any such better results. But then with strict bound time frames, you might get the same chapter completed with better results. So how do we harness this law for our benefit, right? Answer lies in a single word, and that word is deadlines. Now give yourself strict deadlines, so strict that you won't even read a single word after the bell rings. And then you will cultivate this habit of getting things done in that time frame. So this will really help you in getting work done in a relatively lesser period of time. Now, I would like you to think about your work not as a function of time invested, but as a function of energy and focus, right? So when you start to think about this, now you will definitely agree to what I am about to say. Working with a high laser beam sharp focus for short interval of times will yield you better results as compared to working without any focus for longer interval of period, right? So then, with this being understood, how can we harness this for our benefits? The answer is simple. Work in short bursts. Divide yourself in the state of complete work and complete rest. Study till your focus is at its peak, and once it starts dwindling, then completely rest. Don't study for that small interval of time till you regain your focus. Then once you are back, study again. Now here are some time frames that have been devised after many studies and researches. So study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, or study for 45 or 50 minutes and take a 15 or 10 minutes break. Now this method is popularly known as Pomodoro technique, and I am personally getting highly benefited by using it. And to follow this method, I highly recommend you that you download this app called Engross, which is an Indian app, and it has this really cool interface and many customizable options which will help you to get your Pomodoro sessions done in time. Point number 3, skill saves time. If you are better at doing a job, you will definitely get it done quicker and with good outputs. So spend your time in polishing and improvising skills like reading faster and better, typing faster or writing faster. Now this small investment done in your now will definitely yield exponential results in terms of time and will also give you good outputs. So if you are here watching all the way down to the end, I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe us so that you never miss any update. Take care and we'll see you soon in another video.